Hello traders, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 9 a.m. Eastern Time on the 19th of November 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? As some of you may have noticed, there wasn't an episode last week. That was because I was traveling, so apologies for that, but we'll continue from now. So what you see before you is the dollar index wound back on the daily chart to the end of the previous week. And let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market gapped up and basically closed here for the day. On Tuesday, the market put in a lower high here and actually moved down. On Wednesday, we continued moving down and found support down here and actually bounced back up to supply. On Thursday, the market moved up slightly, and on Friday the market gapped down, moved up and then sold off and then closed here for the week. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next this week? To answer this question, we have to take a look at the larger time frames. So let's take a look now at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see that we actually pulled back here to a demand zone. So if the market holds this demand zone, we may turn around and actually continue higher. If we don't hold this demand zone, then we're likely to continue moving to the downside. Now, if we look at the monthly chart, we said in the previous weeks, as we were moving down to this demand zone, that we're likely to bounce here, but the bounce may not be a large one due to this supply area to the left, which was once demand. So as you can see, the market's actually starting to move down from that supply zone. Now, are we going to hold this area and this is just a pullback to go higher, or is this the beginning of the continuation of the move to the downside? Now, if we are going to move to the downside and we don't hold this zone, then we're likely, as we've said in many previous weeks, to move back down to this area below. And on the other hand, if we hold the weekly demand zone over here, then this may just very well be a pullback to take us higher. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to two webinars that are taking place this week. The Timing Research Show tomorrow on Monday the 20th of November at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. What I'll do is leave a link to the webinar below this video, whether you're watching on my website or my YouTube channel. And also what I'd like to point your attention to, on Tuesday the 21st of November, also at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be doing a live market analysis using supply and demand. We're going to go into how to recognize supply and demand zones, and we're going to take a look at many different markets, from Forex markets to commodities and potentially stocks as well. So you can sign up again below this video. I'll leave a link, and I hope to see you on the webinar. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like the video, click the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Have a great trading week. Thank you.